Hey guys, what's up? So for this video, I am going to show you how to clear search history on YouTube. So this will be easy, so let's start. So here, first, let's go ahead and open YouTube. Now tap on your profile picture and tap on settings. So from this page, you can go ahead and tap on history and privacy. Now here, you can tap on delete and you will have the option to delete your searches today, delete custom range, or delete all time. Now, if you want to delete all your history in YouTube, you can tap on delete all time. So if you just want to delete all your searches for today, you can tap on delete today, or you can have a custom range of date and time. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.